Hello everyone, today I will explain to you how does a mechanical timer work. First of all, you can see that in the middle of this turntable, there is a triangle. The triangle represents the current time setting. Then you can turn the mechanical dial above the mechanical turntable. 0 to 24 represent 24 hours of a day. You can turn the mechanical dial, but remember it can only turn clockwise, cannot turn counterclockwise because it doesn't turn counterclockwise. When the triangle is aligned with the scale, represents the current time period. Then I now set it to 11:15. You can see there are scales on the turntable, little by little, small black. They can be separated. This is the timer dial. When you press, this time belongs to the timing stage. A small peak here stands for 15 minutes. This is a total of 96 peaks. One peak represents 15 minutes. Then when you press, it will start at this time and last 15 minutes. Then it pauses when time gets here. So you need to know, when the pedal is pressed it is timed. At this time in the open state, when the peak returns, it is closed. Then you can see, on the side of the mechanical keyboard, has two symbols. When you push this red button push to on, the entire mechanical keyboard is always working. It can be understood as always, power on state. When you dial down the red key, dial this alarm clock sign of time, represents the timing state. This is the time you set. After this point in time, it will start working by itself. Next words, let me show you, when this timed state, how it works. First of all, you can take a look. This is the plug of a product that will be used to insert the plug of the product into the mechanical timer. Then insert the mechanical timer plug into the socket at home. We must ensure that your product plugs are always working. Now you can look at the current time. Now I need to adjust the time. It's 11:15. In timing state, you can see it's not working because no timing. So now I'm going to dial the time down with the pedal. After dialing down, you can see this red light has come on. The red light is on to indicate that it is now in the timing state. It's exactly 11:15. Indicates that this is already in the timing state. Then turn the time around. You can see when you get here, because there is no timing, so the light won't light up. Indicates that it is currently in a state of no work. Now you can see, if you push the red button to on, its light will stay on, whether you have time or not. It will be in the state of an indicator light, because I is working status. If you do not want to do the timing, then you can dial here. The pedal has to be pressed down. Or just unplug the socket at home, so you can stop working. Have you learned how to use the mechanical timer? If you have any questions, can contact us.